Hey guys, if you need to change the engine air filter on your 2013 Honda CR-V, this is the video for you.
Okay, so obviously you have to unlatch the hood. So I popped it from the inside and I'm just opening it from the outside. And this is the filter, the new filter that I'm going to put in there. I'm just showing you the 3 latches or the 3 clips that you need to undo so that you kind of have a reference of where these are located. You have one on the front right, one on the front left, and on the left back. So now I'm just undoing them. They're just like little spring clips. Really simple to undo. There's no screws or anything. If you're interested, I also have a cabin air filter video, which I will link up in the iCard and in the description for you. So to take this cover off, you have to lift it up and kind of push over to the left enough to kind of squeeze that filter out. The filter I used came from Amazon. I will also have a link to that in the description box down below. It's an affiliate link, but I appreciate any time you guys click on those links and use them. So now I'm just inserting the new filter, and you just kind of push it in there. It sits in there real easily. Take note of these 2 tabs on the right that need to fit snugly into those little holes. And then just remember to latch those 3 latches that you undid. Thanks so much.